So we have spent a little bit of time with our workspaces and how we can manipulate them. You may have noticed that we have this plus option at the end of our workspace tab list. This is another way in which we can add a workspace. From here, we have the Add Workspace menu, and this will allow us to add some existing workspaces or duplicate that which is selected. So this is the exact same thing as going to a specific workspace, right-clicking to bring up its menu and selecting duplicate. The other options, however, are workspaces that already exist, and they're based on the templates that Blender uses. For example, say if I wanted to bring in our video editing workspace into our general template, I can do so just by clicking here. This adds the video editing workspace to the end of our queue. If I want to add, say, a masking workspace from VFX, I can just come here, left click, and it adds the masking workspace. Alternatively, if you want to delete a workspace from the list, just right click and select delete. This doesn't delete the workspace itself permanently, it just removes it from the list. So we can right click again, delete, but if we want to bring them back, we can do so very easily just by coming to this same menu at the end.